Hello, today we're going to talk about trailer lights and what the problem could be if you have no parking lights, no running lights. I had turn signal lights and brake lights, but no parking lights. So I had power to the left and right, I had power here. So a bad ground could be your problem. You can always check the ground on the trailer, and also check all your fuses, check all the basics first, and then also check the battery. So excessive corrosion on the negative can give you problems with your trailer lights. You get a whole bunch of that blue corrosion all over your terminal. You need to clean that all off, and that could be your problem and fix your lighting problem on your trailer. So always remember to keep it basic first. Check your fuses, check your grounds, the corrosion around the grounds, because you could have brake lights and turn signal lights and no parking lights. So I hope this tip helps you out. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road.